This is the introduction for PIX4DMAPPER and Agisoft Metashape, two software that we used. We go to PIX4DMAPPER software first. Make the new project by rename the file, add the images that have 134.images and this images that show the data. Edit, which is use the WGS84 and take geoid and click OK. Then, choose the processing template, which is 3D model of the standard processing. Setting up the initial processing, point cloud, and DSM at processing options. This is after we add the images that show the capture images from UAV to PIX4DMAPPER. We make the polygon to the area that we want to mark. This the result. At processing options, we need to set up the initial processing first and then start the processing until done. We need to wait a minute for initial processing first. This is the result in the area of interest with numerous raw images before mosaicing, which is the camera location and orientation images of sport complex and shows camera.location is on, just the sparse cloud of this sport complex. Then, setting at processing options, which is set up the point cloud and DSM processing and click start a process and wait a minute for done the process of point cloud and DSM. This is our results after we process the initial processing, point cloud, and DSM, which is show the 3D modeling of sport complex. This indicates a larger volume of material removed, cut, compared to material added, fill, resulting in a net negative total volume. This is result of volume. Next, we go to the second software, which is Agisoft Metashape. First of all, we add the images at workflow and click OK after we choose file that we got from UAV. So at workflow, take align photos and set up, then click OK. So we need to wait a minute for processing the aligned photos. This result shows grayscale image representing ground elevation, often used in 3D modeling projects. Then, we need to do is set up manually the built model which is we use the high resolution. We need to wait until the process are done. Finally, this is our results of 3D model at sport.complex in UITM Series Condar. Finally, this our conclusion of this method for processing.